So guys, on today's video I'm going to show how to take off how to replace the handbrake cable. So first you take this split pin out, which is on there. Then this is a 36mm nut which you need to take off. Take these bolts out for the wheel. I'm using a gun, so it just makes my life easier. If you're not using a gun, then you need to put the car needs to be on the floor. Undo this one, and then you take the wheel nuts off. In my case, guys, the drum was very easy to pull out. So you just pull this drum out like this. If it's seized, use a hammer and hammer this side closer to the wheel bearing. Don't hammer on there, it could damage it because it's an old car. So carefully pull it out. Now the back, I think there's a 10mm here, but this is really badly corroded, so I'll see if I can take that off. Alright guys, so I took that 10mm bolt out, and there's this bracket here. Just transfer that bracket onto the new one on there. Make sure this washer is forward, and then the bracket sits down between the washer and that. Alright, so guys, basically you put this bit of the handbrake cable last. Fit this bracket on. You see this tab there, needs to be on the inside. And then you fit the 10mm on in the back. It's a bit fiddly, but you'll get there. And after that, the next step is to remove the handbrake lever. Now there's a circlip like this on there. Take that off, and then you push it out, push this whole pin out, it'll come off. There you go. Pull that pin out, take this whole handle off, and then you try to find, then you push the cable. It should reach here. I'll show you. So once you push the cable, you will find it. Somewhere. Pull it out. I need 2 hands for this. I'm going to pause the video. Alright, so I've adjusted the handbrake. All I need to do is fit the circlip on the handbrake lever pin. So after you fit the drum, give it a bit of a tap with a hammer. Pull the handbrake lever and make sure it's nice and seized and not moving. And once you pull the lever down, make sure it's spinning nice and freely. I'm happy with this. Make sure it's not too tight when you're adjusting the clearance between the shoes and the drum. Thank you for watching this video. Like and subscribe please. Thank you very much.